Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes. We're back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp, and comments down below. Feel free to join VIP. They'll be alert and never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below. Feel free to hit me up for a 15-minute, 30-minute phone call. You know, full of value, full of gems, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, jump right into it, share with you guys our opinion going into next week. Guys, see I'm in a low today. I ain't in that genuine leather. So, but anyways, you guys already know, man. Next week is about to be crazy. I project us to do some numbers next week, but not crazy figures unless it naturally come, right? I'm not saying, oh, I'm about to make, thousands of dollars next week. I know, we're going to do well next week. We're going to have, we're going to be smart and meticulous like we was on last week. And like I told you guys, we got to live with what we're seeing. And I told you guys I was going to be doing less, what equals more, going into the future. And that showed and proved itself on last week. Every single play we called out was 100% accurate. We made money on them, guys. Got in, got out meticulously and swiftly. So we going into next week with that same mentality. Less is more. We probably only take on 2 opportunities, but those opportunities is going to be all winners. Or we might take on 3 or 4. It all depends on what the market give us, guys. And the only way we hit a home run, 300, 400% return, is if it comes naturally. It naturally just do it, and it just you get what I'm saying. I can't really explain it with the experience. It'll you'll understand more what I mean by that. A natural home run is when you ain't forcing it, when it's just a huge gap field, when it's looking for AMC to go from 4 to 8 and it hit a certain key level of resistance at 430, and after that resistance is broken, it could shoot straight to 8. That's when we talking of natural home run. That's when it'll come natural. And if it naturally go ahead and do that, that's when we'll take the money. But if it don't do that, we'll take for what the market gives us or sell for a small loss. So going into next week, guys, we got a lot of plays on our radar. Well, not a lot of plays, but AMC, it ended at 482 with over 100 million shares being traded on Friday, up over 20%, guys, up over 26% at its peak on Thursday. So it have some great momentum going. As we know, AMC have with the judge, he basically postponed the conversion of the stock split, being for the fact that he feels things are being rushed, which they are. They're trying to, cover up dirt. They're trying to hurry up and get this done with. So as we know, guys, favor is on our side, obviously, with buying us some more time. And that's what I was saying in the beginning of the older videos. I was saying we need to buy more time. We needed more time, just a little bit more leverage to get a little run, some type of run, before they go ahead and go forth with that. Red birds, guys. And this is just me. Y'all keep saying red birds too. But anyways, as we know, going into next week, AMC is definitely on my radar. Just for not for all the fairy tale stuff, just for them option trading, getting in, getting out. Like I showed you guys in the past, we done did numbers with AMC on options. With a $3,000 investment, had made like $10,000 on AMC in an hour. Back a couple weeks ago, a month or so ago, whenever it went from that $4 or $5 range and jumped to $7, $8 for like just a day or two, and went right back down. And that's what I mean, guys. You got to take advantage of the meat of the move. So anyways, and keeping those losses small and not trying to jump ahead of your level, staying on your level, staying and mastering that level for at least a year. And then you'll have the house money and capital that ain't even your money to be able to go into the other levels that you so desire, that you so ready to hurry up and jump ahead to. So you already know though, but going into next week, definitely going to be a weird week. Just like last week was, the week before that week was. If you really paying attention to the market, the mechanisms of the market, the way the market is functioning during these times, and the way they usually function on regular market activity, when the market has come to a calibrated standstill, the calibration of the market, basically like a calibration of Bitcoin is where it's currently sitting at. It's been stagnant around this area for a while. It's about to break resistance at 28,300, and if you break that, we're about to see another spike with Bitcoin as well, guys, which I do believe is going to break. So Bitcoin shoot up, we know altcoins going to shoot up as well. Bitcoin going up that is a good favor for the market to possibly go up. Like I told you guys, I do believe the market will shoot up temporarily because it's long overdue. It owe it to us, and I ain't gonna say owe it to us, but like that. But it's long overdue. When the market is way oversold, it's due for a pop. When it's way overbought, it's due for a drop. Same scenario. So it's due for a rise, but due to the economy and what's going on with the falling of the dollar, people about to be more meticulous with their money and not spending it any and everywhere. The American economy, the U.S., the stocks are going to crash again. I believe so, and they are already down bad. So I just believe the market is going to go down in history for one of the longest periods of being down for a while. This is just my thoughts, guys. And the only people that's going to be making the money is the people that's sitting on cash and just jumping in and out of opportunities here and there when they see fit and keeping their losses small. And I mean, you can invest, take advantage of things of what you believe, because from my standpoint and my education, the way the world is shifting, the way the world is going, I'm being very, very careful about my next move and my next investments, being for the fact that I don't know what's going to die, what's going to live, being for the fact of the shift that's about to happen in the world. So you want to sit back, really pay attention and learn and how to really read these charts and learn this market and see exactly identifying the key moments to get in and out. And obviously, if you ain't doing that by yourself yet, that's what VIP for. As soon as I get in, I let you know what I got in at. As soon as I get out, I let you know what I got out at. And the higher tiers of VIP, obviously, I'm gonna let you know ahead of time to what to be looking for. Hey, look for such and such area to get out for a gain, and looking for such and such area to get out for a loss. So you already know, guys, that's how we'll be doing it. And like I say, guys, stay meticulous, stay grounded, stay smart, do whatever you gotta do, man. I love y'all. We out. God bless y'all. We